Very tasty and creamy Shahi Paneer recipe at home. Take 3 tomatoes, 2 onions and 250 gram paneer. Cut the onion into fine pieces. Cut the tomatoes as shown on the screen. Like this. Cut the paneer into cubes. Make sure to follow these steps very carefully. Like this. Take cashews, coriander seeds, jeera, cardamom, cinnamon, turmeric, cloves, Kashmiri red chili powder, Kasuri methi, pepper, red chilies, coconut. Make sure to use all of these ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of butter. Add 4 teaspoons of oil. Mix well. Add the cashews, red chili, add the pepper, add the coriander seeds, add jeera. This will enhance the flavor more. Add cardamom and cinnamon. Add cloves. Mix them well. Add chopped onions from earlier. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix them properly. Add salt to taste. Take coriander, ginger and garlic. Add coriander. Add the ginger and garlic. As I told in the earlier videos, the combination of these two are great. Add the grated coconut. Now add all of this into a mixer grinder. Grind them until they form a smooth paste like this. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder and Kasuri methi. Mix them properly. 1 spoon of curd. Mix them properly. Add the paste. Mix it properly so that it can enhance the flavors more. Add half a cup of water. My mouth is watering just by looking at this masterpiece. Add the paneer cubes. You can also fry the paneers until just a little bit, so it will be more better. Or else you can follow this method also. Look at that. So tasty and so majestic. It's really creamy. Add fresh cream. Mix the cream. Now it will be more creamier. Close the pan with the lid for some time and open. And your curry or Shahi Paneer is now ready to serve. Look at that. Garnish it with some coriander and voila, you're done. This recipe is just like the ones you get at restaurants. If you enjoyed the